Bicol tour guide now is in Baguio City for our second day. We are here now at the mansion, the official residence of the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Every time nandito siya sa Baguio. So yun mga gabay, medyo nasa pandemic time pa kaya hindi masyadong binubuksan yung gate para sa photo opportunity. So for the meantime, nasa labas muna po ng gate ang photo opportunity.
The Mansion House is the official summer palace of the President of the Republic of the Philippines. The mansion is located in the summer capital with the elevations of around 5,000 feet above sea level. It was constructed 1908 to serve as the official house of the Spanish-American governor whenever they are here in Baguio City. Architect William E. Parson is the one who supervised the work in progress of the mansion based from the plan of Daniel Burnham.
Now, the President of the Republic of the Philippines is used to be the tenant of the Mansion House here in Baguio City. This is Bicol Tour Guide in Baguio City. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow my YouTube channel. Thank you.